Hi everyone. Today we are going to see a video about configuring syslog in Dax Nas and Dax 5028GS switch. First I will open the Dax switch via Telnet. The IP address of the switch is 192.168.1.97. Default username and password is admin and admin. Go to Configure Terminal. Enable the syslog client option using the command logging NAS IP address. Here the NAS IP is 192.168.1.250. Then, save the configuration using the command write. Cross-check whether your configuration has been reflected on the running config of the switch. Yeah, you can see the server IP here, it got updated. That's it, you've completed the configuration in switch. Now we will move on to the NAS. I am opening the NAS in web page. Default username and password for Dax Nas is admin and admin. Go to administration. Wait for the page to load. It will take a few moments, it is loading. Yet it is opened now. You can see many options in the left side. You have to click on applications. On the below mentioned features select syslog server. Enable syslog server here by marking a tick. You can specify the TCP and UDP ports here. And also you can set the maximum size for logs, here it is 50 megabytes. Click apply and wait for the confirmation. Normally it will take few seconds. It is saved now. That's it, the configuration in NAS is also completed. Now I will manually make a port in switch to down. We will see whether it is getting updated in syslog viewer or not. Going to the switch. Configure terminal. Opening a port. Interface Ethernet 1/0/1. Command to shut down the port is shut down. OK, now we will come back to the NAS. Going to syslog viewer. Refreshing. Normally it will take some time to get updated for the first time. Yeah, it's got updated. You can see the switch IP, the time of message and the trap message conveying the port is down. Fine. Now we know how to configure a syslog server in Dax Nas and Dax switch. Please share your comments below on the comments section. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. Please click the bell icon for updated notifications. Thanks for watching this video.